Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share another fall night routine with you, but this one's gonna be a little different.
It's a couples routine.
Yes, I'm so excited. Every time I do my routines, you guys have a lot of questions about what Ryan is doing.
What am I even doing, like ever?
Right? But I thought it'd be good to show you. So when we're wrapping up our work night, it's usually around 6 or 6:30. I mean, we never stop working, but I try to wrap up my time at my desk around then when we have our work from home days. I always clean up my space. I've loved showing you all the new little gadgets I've gotten and organizational stuff and Instagram stories because making the space organized really does help me feel like my mind is a lot more clear. I feel less stressed and it just is really nice and it's cute. When I finish my day, I always spend time in my planner. So this is my 2021 goals planner. I like to write down all of the things that I have coming up for the week, but I try to use my planner. If you guys watch that video, I always have a purpose, right? So I try to use mine for the stuff that's really fun and exciting in my personal life. And then I use the right-hand side to write down any of my micro goals that are helping me accomplish those bigger goals I have for the year. And I'll link our 2022 goals planner for you down below too. So I, again, always clean up my space, make sure it's organized, and then I'm gonna head into the kitchen.
So as Katie starts getting dinner ready, I'm usually over on the computer continuing to work. So starting to edit some photos for the Holiday Survival Challenge, which came out so amazing. I'm gonna show you how I do that in a second. So since this is earlier in the week, I'm getting the YouTube video scheduled. I'm gonna add everything into the video, like cards, or get a description uploaded that Katie writes, and then I'm gonna get it scheduled so it goes live for you guys on Sunday. And this is my office. Obviously you can see I sort of like the Lakers. I'm also a little bit of a nerd and I have a few collectibles in here as well, but this just is a great space for me to kind of get away, do some things, work, but also, oh no.
What is this? What, you guys, look at this shoe pile.
I wear different shoes.
But why are they in piles everywhere?
You wanted me to start wearing more shoes versus sandals. This is what happens.
What you wish for, you know? When I come out of the office, I feel like we don't realize that it's getting dark so early, and it is like a cave. So I always have to turn the lights on.
I mean, it's
ridiculous. So I'll turn on the lights on and then I'll light a bunch of candles again, just because I want that cozy fall feel, even though it's like 84 degrees right now and ridiculous. I still want to feel like it's fall, even if it's not going to feel like it outside. So I'll try to straighten up the kitchen a little bit and get things put away before I start cooking. Again, I just want that clean space so I'm not like adding to any messes. And we're gonna do one of the meals that I got from HelloFresh. I've showed you guys HelloFresh a million times. Their stuff is so good.
Ooh, these recipes.
I know, look at them. When we were scanning through it, I was like, give me everything that tastes like fall. Like all of the butternut squash, and there's like pork and sweet potatoes. Like I just needed the fall feels in my meals.
You know I grabbed that one because it got the sweet potatoes on it.
Yeah, he's obsessed with sweet potatoes. So we're gonna do the one tonight that has a sweet potato, like mashed puree, and then like a crunchy onion chicken, which sounds amazing. I never used crunchy onion before, so like this is gonna be fun. But I think what's so great about HelloFresh and why I love being able to partner with them and share them with you guys is their meals are not only convenient, they're delicious, but they put them in the perfectly like little portioned bags so that there's no waste. Like you have exactly what you need. I'll usually order extra protein, which I love that they make it so that you can actually just make it work for your lifestyle, whatever you need.
We might eat for 4.
Yeah, we kind of eat a lot, but it's also so I can have leftovers. Usually we have leftovers so we can eat them for lunch. Okay, you guys, look how cool this little basket is. I got it on Amazon. One is just like a really soft pink color, which I love, but it's for washing your fruits and vegetables. So I do my little like scrub on my sweet potatoes.
I appreciate the commitment to the cleanliness of our veggies and fruits.
You're so welcome. And then I'm just going to chop them up and put them into quarters because I'm going to be boiling them, and this will help it boil a lot faster. I don't really ever boil our sweet potatoes, like never, but it's like a mash. All right, so as I'm getting dinner going, those are obviously going to be the longest part of dinner, so I'll just set those and leave them there for now, and then I'm going to go shower. Even though I'm not really sweaty, I mean, I should be because it was so hot, but I showered this morning after my workout. I just feel like it's good at the end of the day to kind of reset, like taking a moment to reevaluate and reset your day and move on to your next routine. So for me, like a shower kind of makes that transitional time. So ditching my shorts, but for my comfies, I'm just going to put on this little romper. And then I obviously only wash my hair like once a week. So I'm just...
How do you do that?
I don't know. So I'm just going to rinse my body.
Every day, sometimes twice a day.
You wash your hair too much.
I might be an overwasher.
There can be a lot of problems. Oh my gosh, those are my little boob covers. Sorry, guys. So I always put my hair in a bun, and then I'll just wash my body off. And while my skin is still damp, I'm going to put on some lotion because I just feel like it absorbs better. But can we just talk about, I've been trying to organize underneath here, and I know I have a lot of stuff because I'm a girl, but like Ryan has a lot of stuff.
That's my stuff right there, yeah.
Like
and I got
lots
a
of
job kit too.
skincare, job kits. You know, it's got it all. I've been trying to take really good care of my ring because obviously it's beautiful, and I never took very good care of my other one. Like I would put lotions and tanner and everything with it on. So now I'm taking it off whenever I'm putting on lotions so it doesn't get a bunch of gunk in it and get nasty. And then I'm just gonna wear this little, like, it's actually like a workout romper, but there's no support in the boob, so I never actually work out in it. I wear it sometimes during the day, but sometimes just like as pajamas too. And then my favorite Amazon sweater. It's so good. I'm gonna season up the chicken just with some of the seasoning they gave me, but then also a little extra pepper and putting those onions right on top. I mean, it's not even cooked and it looks so good. And I have a code for you guys if you want to try them out. I know a lot of you have already and love them, but it's for up to 14 free meals plus 3 gifts. So all you have to do is click the link below, use the code LoveSweatFitness3, and you'll get those 3 free gifts plus up to 14 meals, which is awesome.
And then I'm usually the sous chef, so I'm going to come in and help out with pretty much everything, but mainly putting the spices back up, and then I'll go back to work. So a little bit short-lived, but now I'm just going to hang out. I'm going to watch some TV, usually put on like Lakers game, something like that, while I edit some photos. So these are those photos from the holiday survival shoot. We created a pink Christmas wonderland in the office, and the team
did. Dreams are made of.
The team did such a good job putting this together. I'm going to show you a little bit how I edit these photos in Lightroom. So I use our Love Sweat Fitness presets, which you can see that's edited and non-edited, switching back and forth. Makes it a lot easier. And I'm wondering, should I release these? Maybe.
I love cooking, and I feel like I'm really good at it. So I will always add things like sage and make little modifications. But again, if you guys are using the HelloFresh, it's just great because if you don't know how to cook, they make it really, really easy. And these sweets look so good.
Sous chef's back in action, delivering some placemats and utensils.
Look at that bend. Wow. It's great.
The talent's amazing.
Did you go to Cotillion to learn how to place your forks?
I did go to Cotillion, but I remember absolutely none of it.
Oh my gosh, so funny.
And then look at this. Chicken is so good. I mean, it came out amazing. Like, seriously, this is one of my favorite HelloFresh meals we've had. And
that's true.
Yeah, I had to add extra sweet potato. Maybe went a little overboard there.
The portions just are so good, though. And again, because Ryan will eat more, so he will have 2 of the portions of chicken. I had 1. We made cocktails tonight because, I don't know, it literally felt like Thanksgiving dinner.
The meal was legit Thanksgiving in the mouth, yeah.
So I feel like even though it was a Monday, we're like, you know what? Let's be a little fancy. Make a cocktail. But it was really nice. So we'll usually just watch a show while we eat dinner. We talk too. We're not the type of people who are like, I'm watching a show, don't talk to me. Like, we just interact the whole time, but we also are with each other talking all day long.
24/7.
Yeah, so it's not like a couple who's been at work all day and then you get together and then you just watch TV and don't talk. Like, no. But you guys, this meal again just was so ridiculously good. And I think what's so great about our dynamic is we are really good partners. So Ryan will always clean up, or at least he'll always offer to clean up.
I'll always offer to clean up. And Katie usually says like, oh, yeah, that'd be great because my nails might get ruined. And I'm like, I would do it anyways. You don't have to justify it.
You're such a perfect guy.
Oh.
No, but it's true. He is such a good helper. And I my nails is such a lame excuse. I know I could get rubber gloves, but you spend a lot of money on them. You don't want to ruin them. Keep it fresh. So
jinx.
So sometimes I literally will just sit on the couch and Ryan will do all the cleaning. I usually will get up and help a little bit though. But he'll do most of the hard lifting dishes and then we cuddle. And I don't know about you guys, but I have probably watched every single episode there's ever been created of Law and Order, and we've been watching this season again. I think we watched maybe 3 episodes this night. We went a little bit deep into it, but it's such a good show. And you guys, it's actually only part 1 of our couples night routine.
What a 2-parter.
Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below with what you want to see in part 2.